Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be making an exit sign. So if you haven't already, switch out your render engine from Eevee to Cycles. We're going to go ahead, press G, bring the default cube up. And what I'm going to do here, let's go ahead and add, you know what, we could use a UV sphere for this. Let's go with G, bring this up, bring this to the side. And all we're going to do is right click shade smooth, and then we're going to add in a plane. So S for scale. We'll go ahead, shift D, rotate this by 90, and press G, just bring this to the side. We'll go ahead and take this default cube, edit mode, take the back face closest to the wall. We'll go E for extrude. We're just going to go ahead and scale this inwards to the UV sphere that we've just done. Okay, so once we've got something like this, we want to make the exit. So we're going to go to text. We will go to edit mode and just go ahead in capitals and type exit. Come back to object mode, press G, bring this up. You're going to go ahead and make this an emission, but first we're going to go to the data tab at the side, which is the green A, and go to geometry, and we'll go ahead and just extrude this just a little bit. Okay, so once we've done this, we're going to go to material. Let's go new, switch out the principled BSDF for emission, and let's go with kind of like an orange, kind of yellow. So when it glows, it's something like this. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that default light actually. So you've got something like this on the exit. So what we're going to do now, let's go ahead back to the regular render. We'll press G, we'll bring this across. You want to go ahead and rotate this by 90 so that it stands upright, and then just go ahead and place this onto the cube. As such, I'm just going to go ahead and just scale this down just slightly. Let's go with G and bring this up. You can go ahead and edit the text if you'd like, which is under the data section, and then it will be let me see, I've lost it. Hold on, font. There we go. So if you click this little open font right here, which looks like a folder, it'll be a pop-out, and then it'll give you all the different fonts that you can put this in. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to go with the default. Let's go ahead and press Shift D, duplicate this out. You want to go ahead and rotate this one by 90, and go ahead and sit that one on the opposite side. And then we're going to go ahead again, and we'll go Shift D, move this across, and you want to rotate this by 180. And go ahead again and just place this on the side of the box right here. So once you've got this, you're going to have to illuminate the box slightly as well. So let's go ahead with material. We're going to make this one an emission. So we want to go and switch out the principled BSDF for emission, and you're going to want to go for a red. So you've got something like that. Maybe just tone it down just ever so slightly, but enough that you can see the exit. So the exit sign should be a little bit brighter as well, just to kind of make sure that you can see it there. And then the back, where we've got the UV sphere, just go to new, and we'll change that to black just for the stand itself. So that's the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.